Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we covered up to 28 Python interview questions. The next Python interview question is nothing but how to convert integer objects or integer values from one base to another base. I have one integer value is there. I want to convert that integer value from one base to another base. How you can do? See, for that we have base conversion functions are there. Okay. If you want to convert an integer value, of course, decimal format into binary, there is one function is there with the name bin, where it will receive one integer object. It converts given integer object from, okay, so decimal to which format? Binary. Sir, in these 2 points you need to observe. First point, compulsory the object must be integer type only. Second one, if you are giving decimal value, it will convert the decimal into which format? Binary. Let me take one simple example. See, I'm taking print of bin of, I'm giving some number called 15. Can you please convert this number, or 12? Can you please convert this number into binary? Let us run and check what output we are going to get. You can see we are getting 0b1100. It is nothing but a binary representation of the integral value 12, like that we have. So this is the first function. We have OCT is there, octal value. You can take object. What it is going to do? It will convert. It converts the given integer object from, okay, decimal to which number, sir? It is going to convert to octal. Now print of OCT, octal of 12. Can you please convert that 12 into octal? Yes, no problem. It is nothing but what? 14. You know the internal representation, how it is going to work. Sir, can I convert this particular number into octal? Yes, we have an option to convert. Let us see what will happen in this case. Have you observed? It is returning 14 only. Sir, for both we are getting same output. Yes, the representation whatever you have taken is a binary. The first step, this binary will be converted into decimal, and that decimal will be given as a input to which function? Octal function, like that we have. Then last one, if you want to convert the given object into hexadecimal, we have hex function is there. What it will do? It converts the given integer object from decimal to which format? Hexadecimal. Like this we have. Sir, let us take one example for that also. I am taking hex of 12. Can you please convert that 12 into hexadecimal? What output we are getting? 0xc. You know, in hexadecimal, 10 is represented as A, 11 is represented as a B, 12 is represented as a C. This is the way how we can convert integers from one base to another base. So input must be integer object. It can be represented in decimal format or hexadecimal format or octal format or even in binary also, no problem at all. This is nothing but what we have. I hope you understood this question very clearly. Thank you, friends.